What is maintenance? Maintenance is the process of maintaining something or somebody. It may mean the state of being maintained. The term also refers to looking after somebody financially, that is, the provision of financial support of a person. After a divorce, one of the partners may have to pay maintenance, that is, money to support the other. This video focuses on the meaning of maintenance when used in a business or personal finance context. In the context of machines, equipment, and infrastructure, maintenance refers to repairing, servicing, and replacement of faulty or expired components. People commonly use the term MRO, which stands for Maintenance, Repair and Overhaul, or Maintenance, Repair and Operations. The maintainability of an item is its ability to be restored or retained so that it can perform its required functions. In some companies, maintenance is a very large department. Maintenance management is a growing field globally. It is all about controlling a company's resources, time, and costs. People involved in maintenance management need to ensure the adequacy and efficiency of maintenance operations. One of their priorities is to keep periods of downtime caused by faulty equipment to a minimum. Here is an example of bad maintenance management. Fred is the maintenance manager of a factory. He has tasked all his technicians with carrying out maintenance on non-essential pieces of equipment such as lighting. Nobody is keeping an eye on an essential production machine. The poor allocation of technicians could have led to an expensive halt in production. When you purchase a fixed asset for your company, you need to consider its ongoing maintenance cost. That is, it is a cost that you must add to the item's purchase price. Maintenance is an inevitable cost. As an asset owner, you must incur such costs on a regular basis, regardless of whether your asset is in active use. Thank you for watching this video on maintenance.